Hi everyone, it's Gilbert. Today is Tech Tuesday. Let's go ahead and check out what today's topics are. YouTube hack. Here is a clever trick to play YouTube videos without distractive features. This tip is about forcing the video to fill the browser and exclude all other distractive features. This is a great way to use YouTube videos with your students and check out how it works. Fancy text. Do you want to take your normal text to fancy text? You are going to want to start using this website. You can add these fancy texts to any Google application or even use it in your emails as well. The possibilities are limitless. iCivics.org, a site that's all about engaging students and meaningful civic learning. It was founded by former Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor. It includes a remote learning toolkit with lots of educator tools and all sorts of games such as County Work, Court Quest, Branches of Power, and Win the White House. So I have another YouTube hack that is very similar to the one that I shared in my first bulletin. So here's the first bulletin that I shared back in December. And so this YouTube hack, the one that you put a hyphen in between the T and the U, sometimes whatever district that you're in, sometimes it's not working properly. So here is another way of getting that same effect of that full video. So here is a YouTube link to a read aloud, a book that I like to read to kids called Memoirs of a Goldfish. And so in between the watch and the question mark, you're going to put an underscore, type in the word pop up, and then you're going to copy and paste this into a new browser. So I'm going to get another tab, paste that in. And then as you can see, the video is in full screen now. Very similar to the first hack. So if the first one is not working for you, here is a second one that will give you the same effect. So back in my weekly bulletin number 2, I shared this website called coolsymbol.com, which is basically a font generator, which looks like this. I have another one for you today, and this one is called Fancy Text, and it does exactly the same thing. So what you do is you're going to type in something. Below it is going to be all of these different fonts that you can choose from. And what I like to do is I love to use them in my emails in the subject line. And so what you do is you just click it. It's going to be copied to your clipboard. Then you go to your email in your subject line. You're going to paste it. And then you can also use it below it as well. This works in all of the Google applications from Google Docs to Google Slides. So if you're interested, I would check it out. I have another awesome website that you should definitely check out. It is called iCivics.org. This site is all about engaging students in meaningful civic learning. It includes a remote learning toolkit with lots of educator tools and all sorts of games. So the games are over here when you scroll down. You're going to click play. And some of the games that students are able to play are Counties Work, Court Quest, Branches of Power, Win the White House, Cast Your Vote. So I'm just going to click on Win the White House. It's going to load. Then you click the play button. No thanks. Click New Game. So I won't show you the whole game, but one of the nice features is that you can play this game in Spanish. So I highly recommend checking out this website called iCivics.org. You're going to want to start using it. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. We'll see you again next week.